Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. Today is Friday, March 20th. I'm back from out of town. Just wanted to come in and check with you guys a little bit. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is safe. This coronavirus situation has my nerves told all the pieces and on 1,000. I'm trying to stay positive, I'm trying to stay hopeful, and I'm trying to stay optimistic. Comment down below what you guys have been doing to keep yourself busy and to keep yourself occupied. Starting today, I'm going to stay off social media because I was on social media since this morning. I started getting really nervous and I was like, I just need to stop reading everything and just stay hopeful, just pray, just have faith, and just know that we're all going to get through this and everything is going to be okay. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and check with you guys a little bit. What I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to make a soup. And the soup I'm going to make is whatever I have in my pantry and whatever's in my freezer. That's it, because I came back from vacation yesterday. I did not go grocery shopping. So, of course, my pantry and my kitchen, everything is looking a little skim. So I'm gonna just pull out some things, make me a soup. While I make my soup, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my kitchen because my kitchen look a mess. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like, and I should be ashamed to show you guys what it look like, but just the reality of it all, this is what my kitchen look like. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Dion. I hope you become a chat partner. If you are a returning chat partner, thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you all come back for another video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like and leave a comment, and also hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. Hey guys, so this is what my kitchen is looking like. As you can see, dishes everywhere, empty bottles, just a mess. I'm gonna come back and show you guys the ingredients for the soup that I'm gonna make real quick. Okay guys, so this is my freezer. Let's see what I got up in here first. So take this out. Okay, here go a thing of mixed vegetables. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is what I found so far. So I have 2 things of mixed vegetables. Both of them seem to have carrots, corn, and string beans. I have some chickpeas, I have some diced tomatoes, and I have some chicken stock. So this soup that I'm gonna make is gonna be called what I had in my freezer in my pan. Before I start the soup up, I'm gonna go ahead and put my dishes in soak, start my soup, and then clean my kitchen. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just got done washing the dishes. So what I'm going to do now, make me another sink of water and put some bleach in there. So I can wipe my countertops down, all my knobs. I'm going to go ahead and add the ingredients into my pot. And what I did was made my own broth. I just used water, some adobo seasoning, garlic powder, and some Creole seasoning. Okay guys, my soup is almost done now. This is what it's looking like now. It look good. There's a whole lot of vegetables in here. So this is what I had in my pantry and my freezer vegetable soup, which contains mixed vegetables, corn, peas, carrots, string beans, tomatoes, and some chickpeas. And I also put some chicken stock in there. So this is what's going to be for dinner tonight and for lunch tomorrow. It looks good, all that color. Quick and easy. And I made this soup while I cleaned my kitchen. Okay guys, so now my kitchen is all nice and clean. I'm going to go on ahead and wrap up this video. Let my soup simmer for another 10 minutes or so. Then I'm going to go in here and just relax for a little while. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, you guys are great. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye guys.